Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying exactly which Office version and Windows build you're running, because the removal steps differ. Once done, create a system restore point and export the registry. This protects you if something goes wrong. Next, sign in with an administrator account and, if instructed later, temporarily disconnect from the network to prevent activation checks. These initial actions let you safely proceed to edit activation data without risking system-wide changes. Now you stop Office services and end WinWord, Excel, and Office Click to Run processes so files are unlocked. Then locate and rename specific licensing files and folders. This removes the offending flag that triggers the message. Be precise, because wrong files can break activation. If you need to reactivate legitimately, run slmgr commands or update mak/kms configuration as appropriate. Make sure to document each change. Finish by restarting Windows and opening Office in safe mode to confirm the notification is gone. Safe mode reduces add-in interference. Once confirmed, reconnect the network and sign into the correct Microsoft account to preserve features. If the message persists, restore your registry backup, run Office Repair from Control Panel, and then check activation logs for error codes. If you see an error, note the code. It points to whether licensing service, corrupted files, or account issues still need fixing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.